Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys all the other little things that I made for my wedding. I mean, I guess they're not that little, they all took time, but I also felt like they did not need its own tutorial. So I'm just going to share with you all the other things that I made. There are tutorials already on how I made my wedding invitations, how I made my table numbers, and how I made my wedding favors. But I want to share with you guys all the other things I needed to make for my wedding as well. So I'm just going to kind of do like a little, just kind of go through it all. So let's get started and I'll share with you everything else I made. So I made some wedding signs. Now I did not put vinyl on these. I did not get the acrylic. I did not put vinyl. I was actually talking to one of my neighbors who got married, I don't know, a couple of years ago, and she had these just in her basement. They had a maroon color on the back, and I took that off with some alcohol and I scraped it off with like a plastic, like a gift card kind of thing. So I was able to scrape off the paint like that. And then I just kind of painted the backs with my olive green paint that you guys saw me use in my table numbers DIY. So I was able to paint the back. So she had this one that was a frosted one. So this is our unplugged ceremony sign. And then this one's not frosted, it's just like an acrylic. And so I painted the back of that one as well. And then this one I just decorated with some flowers. I got this garland with the white flowers from Michael's. And then I got a separate flower thing with some peach flowers, and I took off some of the white, added in some peach instead because my colors are like peach and green. And so I felt like that looks really good. I got these stands off of Amazon in gold because you guys saw my table numbers are with gold. So I do have some gold accents going on. And that is what I did for my wedding signs. And then moving on to here, so these are like for flowers that are gonna go out, be outside next to us during the ceremony, but you could see the seams on here. So I just kind of put pearls on it. Now the flowers I am gonna have on here are gonna be dangling down. Maybe not that much, not all the way down, but I needed to cover up the seams. Like the seams were not doing it for me. These are just plastic. I did like the stone ones, but unless you're willing to pay like $150 or more for like a semi kind of stone one, then plastic is gonna be the way to go. And I mean, it's gonna be something I'm using one time and not again. So this just kind of made sense. Next up, I put together some baskets. This is for the bathrooms. So I'm gonna share with you what I got here. And I have one for the men's room, one for the women's room. This is the woman's basket right here. The sign is not gonna be in here, it's just gonna be like on the side, but these signs are from Amazon and it just went with my colors because it's green and peach. So I just have some ibuprofen. I have single like toothpicks, cups, mouthwash, lifesavers, and then these Tums in case anybody needs it. They're all individually wrapped. Hair scrunchies, we've got hairspray, like fabric tape for people's dresses, bobby pins, spray deodorant, Tide to Go pens, band-aids, Q-tips, blotting sheets, and makeup remover wipes. So that is going to be for the ladies' bathroom. And then the men's bathroom, I'm not even gonna take this out. This one's not as full, but I do have the ibuprofen, the Tums, the mints. I have a lint roller. I have a deodorant spray for them as well. Styling gel. We've got the Tide to Go pens as well. Cups, mouthwash, and then also the flossing kind of things. So those are just gonna go into the bathrooms, just a little something that they could take if they need it. And yeah, so just a little something because, oh, I forgot to put this sign back in here. I just kind of put the signs in here for now because the venue is gonna be putting these out and I didn't want them to mix up which one is the men's and which one is the women's bathroom. So those are that. other little things that I do have, so since we're getting married on Flag Day, we're also putting out some pins. This was Babe's idea. He wanted some pins, so I just put a bow on this basket I had. I got this from Hobby Lobby that I kind of wanted to go on our table with this thing, the olive green kind of table thing. I don't know how that's gonna look yet. I have no clue. This is our card box. I think it's cute. It just looks like this. So it says cards, and it's just like a large card box. Oh, I have our drink sign. I just ordered this, our signature drinks. I can link the Etsy shop I got it from, but his is just like a, what is it, like a Arnold Palmer, I think it's called, and we named it Tie the Knot Tea. And mine is a Malibu Bay Breeze that we named Just Mauied. So there's our signature drinks. I have a guest book, and I did make a sign for the guest book, kind of with the same template that I was using for even like our wedding and stuff. So advice and wishes for the new Mr. and Mrs. We'd love for you to share your best marriage advice, date night ideas, and well wishes for us. So that's gonna go with the little guest book right there. And then the table numbers that you guys saw. And the last thing I wanna share with you guys is the seating chart. Now this is kind of harder to share with you guys because I don't wanna share everybody's names. So it's just gonna be a photo. I'm gonna block out all the names and stuff, but I do want you guys to see what it looks like. So I decided on a mirror for my seating chart. I just got it from the thrift store. Way cheaper than like renting it or anything like that. And I printed the names on that same like greenery that I used for the signs that I made that I just showed you guys for the guest book. Same greenery for my invitations. So same kind of greenery layout. Also did the same wax seals that I did for my wedding invitations, and I just double matted it onto like a gold cardstock and green, and then just decorated with flowers on the outside. Now I don't have any more peach flowers because otherwise I probably would have changed out some of the white for peach, just like I did on the wedding sign, but I think it looks good as is, so I'm gonna share with you guys that. Okay, I think that's everything that I made for my wedding. So I just wanted to share all the things that I did make. All, like, obviously everything took some time. So if you are planning a wedding, definitely start earlier. I mean, the seating chart, obviously you can't do until you know how many tables you have, how many people are coming, kind of thing. Same thing kind of with the favors, but invites, once you have your list of who you're inviting, you can make that. You could start, I guess, kind of ordering some tea favor or things, I mean, or whatever favors you're doing. It doesn't have to be tea, but the tea favors that I did share, which I shared, I did wedding tea favors. You could put anything into that. You could put hot chocolate into there if you want. You could put honey in there. I just got jars and a spoon, and it was super duper cute. So you could do so many different things. I opted to not do the seeds, like the seed packets. I feel like everybody does that, and everybody does hot chocolate. I have never been to a wedding where I received tea, like tea leaves, and so I was excited to do that because I have never seen that before. I mean, I know it exists, I saw it on Pinterest, but I just never personally got one. I always get like the little seed packets that are like in the paper that just like is biodegradable. You just literally plant the paper with the seeds in it already. So I feel like those are very common, but it's not something I wanted to do for my wedding. Anyway, so that is all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope it inspires you, or maybe you guys got some ideas for any party, not even just the wedding, but any party that you are going to be having. I don't know, whatever it is, baby shower, bridal showers, communions, baptisms, birthdays, like whatever it is. You could apply these ideas to so many different kinds of parties, graduation, like there's just so many different ways you could apply these ideas. So I hope it inspires you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next crafty video. Bye.